Luthier Ivan and Luthier Jeffrey. Today we're going to be discussing fretboards. Remember the fretboards I just showed you? Look at those babies. That's my design. Do not copy my design. If you copy my design, that means you like my work. And if you like my work, you can copy it. Let me show you how we do the fretboards here. How we install them in our custom instruments. This is a custom, obviously, 300-year-old Canadian cedar top, Cocobolo, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Cocobolo and 1 tiger wood in the middle for this one. So, as we did already, we already we leveled everything. You got to make sure you level all your stuff so everything is level here. We also installed our fiberglass bar, right, from bottom all the way to the top. So what we do here now is we use all these tools. Look at these tools. Anybody can use these tools. Look at this great tool you can get at your shop or at Home Depot, right? Some wood, this, and everything else is just clamps. We don't have any fancy tools here. What we're going to do is we're going to get our chisel, you turn around, turn your fretboard around, and you want to mark it. Right? You want to put some marks in there, scratches. What that scratches are going to do is it's going to allow the glue to penetrate, and it's going to give it a grip. It's very important to do this. I'm telling you, when I first started, I used to disregard this, and I paid with an instrument that was returned. I think it was the only instrument it was ever returned. So now I'm very careful. Even here, since you got to be careful, you want to do it very nice and smooth. Again, you want to make sure you do it on both the fretboard and the arm. Just scratch it, it's fine. You're not going to be able to see this. And your clients are going to appreciate it. Because if you have a weather change and they like to play outside and they like to play on the lake and then they like to come inside and warm up, that glue, it's going to change temperatures, and sometimes it might loosen up a little bit, but if you have a strong grip in there. Alright, now we do it here as well. Come over here. I like to do kind of like a tic-tac-toe in here.